Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at
High Falls State Park.
And we are gonna do, there's two trails. There's a 4-mile one and there's a 1-mile one. Let's see. I didn't incline to go to the bathroom and I was a little out of breath. So I don't know if I can do the 4 miles, but we'll try the 1 mile. We have two little poofy boys with us. And that's good. This is literally right at the entrance of the trail. How fucking beautiful. A mile and something in. I am huffing and puffing. Eamon's pregnant. This is no joke. What about you?
Just a little tired.
It's really pretty though. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Pretty nice and quiet and clean, but this belly is not helping the cause right now.
No.
I am severely out of breath.
Ooh, some boards loose.
Because there's two sides. You can go this way too. There's like more.
Oh, it's not.
Go up.
Or just go left or right. Let's go right.
Did you just trip?
No, almost.
You're gonna trip me. Move. You can do that. Here, Bubby. Goodness gracious! This is hard.
What? This guy, look at this guy. This way.
I think it was like easier slide to the steepness.
Yeah, it's way better.
Okay, you can turn it off. Here, bird.
Nice.